Hello everyone, it's Romana here. Have you ever Googled how to be more productive or how to get things done with ease? I know I did. And I just want to share with you what I've learned during my 20, 30 years of chasing productivity and what really productivity is and how can you be productive and get things done. And here is 5 or 11 things that will make you super productive and that I use them every single day. And the first one is get enough sleep. If you don't get enough sleep, there is no way your mind can function properly. There is no way. And when you're tired, you can't be productive. You can't get things done. You can't think. Usually we have foggy mind. And the biggest mistake people make is not getting enough sleep. The second is plan according to your energy level. Do you know your biorhythm? Do you know when you have the most energy in the day and the least energy in the day? So this is one thing you need to get to know yourself. Are you an early bird or a night owl? When do you feel the most productive? And then plan tasks according to your energy levels. And I walk you through in my planner, the Epic Business Planner, where I really walk you through every single day that you track your well-being. And when you track this, like it's 10 questions, and when you answer those 10 questions every single day, in a month you will start seeing patterns. And in 2 months you will be even more aware of your energy levels, how you feel in the morning, which days are you feel at your best, which days are you more tired or cranky or exhausted, when do you need more sleep. And when you know that, then there is no need to push through to suck it up, but then you can plan according to your energy level and do the right tasks at the right time. And I promise you, your productivity will skyrocket. Really, I just love this thing. I just love this thing because before I believe that I need to suck it up, I need to push it through. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Oh, suck it up. You have to do it. No, it's not that way. And when you start planning according to your energy levels, everything changes. Seriously. The third productivity tip is focus on one thing. And I can't tell you how important that is. Today, with social media, with so many courses, with so many distractions, it's so easy to get pulled in and buy course after course after course, yet you don't finish them because it's too many. And I'm guilty of this too. Just focus on one thing. What do you want to accomplish in this day, in this week, or in this month, or in this year? And let go of everything else. I know the shiny object will come in and you will be pulled, oh, what if I do this? Oh, maybe I should do that. No, you have your focus and just focus on one thing. The fourth productivity tip is do the most important tasks first. How do you start your working day? Do you start with answering emails or admin or things that will not really move the needle forward or getting you closer to accomplish a project? So do the most important things first. For example, if you know that you're very, very productive in the morning, that you are at your best in the morning, so schedule the most important things that you need to get done in a day in the morning. If you're more the night owl, then schedule the most important things at night when you're the most productive. So do the things that are the most important first, and then do the rest of it. And that's how you will skyrocket your productivity, because you will get things done. You will not lose yourself in answering emails or in doing admin. This can come later. The fifth productivity tips is incorporate more play in your life. This sounds like counterproductive or counterproductive, but it's not. It's the opposite. Has it ever happened to you that you encounter a problem at work or in your life, and you were thinking how to solve this problem, but you just couldn't. Nothing came up, and no solutions. But then you took some time off. You went for a walk, or you played with your children or with your dog, or you did something that brings you joy, that feels play for you. And suddenly it was like, oh yes, I've got an idea. I know how to solve this problem. So this is what play does. Helps you to let your brain to solve the problem, because very often we come to the solution when we do not think about the problem or about the solution. When we just let go things, do things that we love to do, have fun, enjoy ourselves, and then oh yes, that's right. How on earth didn't come up before with this solution or with this idea? And that's how our brain works. And that's why it's so important to incorporate more play in your life. And not just because of that, but because the purpose living here in this planet is to have fun, not just work, and suffer and push it through and make it happen. It's not just about that. It's about having fun, enjoy your life. It's not like ticking off, oh, I achieved this, and then you don't have time to enjoy your achievement because you are already on your way to another achievement. The sixth productivity tip is incorporate lots of rest. This sounds again counterproductive, but it is productive. I always say that rest is productive because it is. Recently, I just read a book from one athlete. I can't remember her name at the moment, and not even the title of the book, but about the athlete. She was 4 times Ironman winner. 4 times Ironman winner. And when she described how they train and how important rest is, it really resonated with me. Look, athletes, they train, but then they rest. And she said, rest is not going for a walk, or rest is not doing in the garden, or rest is not playing soccer for fun with your friends, but rest is really lying down, resting, do nothing. And she said it took her quite a while to grasp this concept of rest, which means doing nothing, just watching TV all day and doing nothing. I'm not saying that you have to do the same, but rest. If you're tired, rest, because your body is telling you, I can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Give me a break. Because we are just so go, do, accomplish, that we completely forget about rest. And we feel that rest is unproductive. And there are so many women and men, they feel guilty when they rest. I felt guilty too, until I changed my thinking and my perception of rest. And when I was in Karijini National Park, this is north of Western Australia, I was in one Aboriginal eco camp where there was no electricity, and we really lived with the nature, with nature's cycles. And I realized, you know what? If we lived with nature cycles, we would have so much more rest, so much more. And when you observe animals, they rest a lot. And yet in the nature, everything gets done. Everything gets done. So yes, incorporate more rest because it is productive. And when you feel full of energy, you can do things. But when you feel tired and exhausted, you can't. It's just common sense. The seventh productivity tip is set intentions every single morning. It's so important how you start your day. And I'll talk about this in another video. But for now, it's really important. How do you start your day? Do you just get up and just go, do? Or you slow down and just set intention for the day? What do you want to accomplish today? What it is important for me today? Just check in with yourself. If you feel tired, if you don't have energy, maybe your intention would be just to recuperate and recharge and rest a little bit more. Or if you really need to get things done, your intention could be, okay, I will make today 4 videos and I will schedule them on YouTube, and now I'm set for a month, for example. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to feel in a day? So this is really important. I think this is the eighth productivity tip is eat well and take care of yourself by exercising, by eating. Because when we don't feel in our body, when we are sick, when we don't feel good, when we feel tired, when we don't have much energy, when we have foggy mind, we can't be productive. We can't get quality work done. It's impossible. And from my experience, I can tell you, when I eat like shitty food, junk food, oh gosh, my energy level goes like, wow, down. Seriously. And I can experience more foggy mind. I can't think. I'm always somewhere. Like I just can't focus. My mind is everywhere. But when I eat healthy and when I exercise regularly, then it's completely different story. Then I have energy, I have motivation, I can do things, I can focus, I feel so productive, I feel inspired. It's completely different story. And it's true that body and mind are connected. It's so true. If we don't take care of our body, well, then we really can't think and we really cannot come up with ideas. And if in the opposite, if we don't take care of our mind, we won't feel good in our body, and we will feel depressed, anxious, and so on. And this will come up like how to live in the present moment. This is another very important tip for being productive, happy, get things done. And I will make a video about this. But for now, you just take care of yourself, of your body. Make sure that you feel good, that you're healthy. The ninth productivity tip is do weekly, monthly, and quarterly review. So many people, they set goals, but they don't do the review. I can't tell you how many times this come up with my clients. Oh, I want to achieve this, and for example, I want to lose weight, for example, in a year. Like I want to lose 20 pounds or 10 kilos or 15 kilos in a year. but then they do not set steps how they're going to achieve this, and they don't do the review. They don't look at the week and say, okay, how much did I lose? What went in my way? What did go well? What didn't go well? You know, why I didn't lose as much as I wanted to. Did I eat too much junk food, or didn't I stick to the healthy eating, or didn't I exercise? What was really going on? And if you don't do this review on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis, then you can't tweak things, because your goal, when you will set the goal, it won't go smoothly. It never will, and things will happen, and lives will happen. So that's why it's so important to do the review. What's working, what's not working in achieving this goal? How can you tweak it? How can you do it differently? What's coming up for you? And people just don't do it. And of course, they don't achieve their goals at the end of the year. Of course, that's so common sense. And yet, we forget to do weekly, monthly, and quarterly review. And maybe I can do a video on this, how I do my weekly, monthly, and quarterly review, so that you know how to do it in a, I would say, productive way that will move you forward. The 10th, well, this is the 11th basically tip, is set healthy boundaries in place. There is not a bigger, I would say, there is not a bigger challenge to productivity than not having healthy boundaries in place. So what do I mean with having healthy boundaries in place? Healthy boundaries are, you know what you want to achieve, you know where you're going in your life, but things will come up at you, shiny objects. Can you get this course? Can you help me with this? Oh, do you want to join this yoga class with me? Oh, do you want to go to the gym with me? Oh, do you want to go, I don't know, in this charity event with me? And so often, unfortunately, you will have to say no, because you can't do everything. You can do anything you want to, but you can't do everything. And today, it's a blessing that we have internet and so many online courses and videos and podcasts and social media and communities, online communities and Facebook communities. All this is great. However, it's getting too much. We just can't be part of every community we would like to be. We just cannot attend every single course we would like to. It's impossible, and then we get overwhelmed. It's too much. We don't know anymore what to focus on. We lose our focus, and that's here comes boundaries. You know what you want to focus on. You know what your goals for the year are. If you do it correctly, you put milestones that you want to achieve, like quarterly milestones or monthly milestones, and you just stick to this. Otherwise, you will get pulled in so many ways, and you will not achieve anything. You will achieve nothing. So that's why, no, thank you. This is not the right time. I can't do it at the moment. Maybe next time. This is how you set healthy boundaries. And these are 11 tips, productivity tips, that will make you super productive. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe so that more people can see these videos, so that I can help more people get really super productive and not exhaust themselves, and still be happy and still have that work-life balance. So bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye.